Hi, this is Kyle Westerman, and this is my AEP 858 Module 12 um, project. I made a simple little graph here to look at our iReady scores in math and reading to see which students are on grade level or not on grade level. If you look at it here, we see the number of students who took the test, and the next step would be, are they on grade level or not? How many are struggling with math? How many are struggling with reading? Is there intervention needed for those students? And then what would our next steps be? There at the bottom, I do have a reflection question of how do we increase the math and reading scores of those below grade level. And then there's a place for this staff to write notes on as well. With how the teachers would look at this, I think, especially at our school, teachers would be more than willing to look at a data protocol like this. We have done something like this in the past. We're looking at data of students who have taken the iReady. We just haven't given them a chart like this or had our teachers kind of break down what to do with the data and how do we move on to the next level. We meet every Friday for our continuing education stuff for the teachers. And so we just talked about these scores just here recently. So that may be one of our next steps is what do we do about that? I know we've talked about increasing the amount of reading and math skills in each class, whether it is a math or English class. Each class is going to try to implement some kind of math skills reading. I know as a junior high history teacher, I know reading is very important for my class, and I continue to use it every single day. But the comprehension part of that reading, making sure that the students understand exactly what they're reading, so we do a lot of vocab in that regard as well. I think this is kind of simple, but I think it can have some potential in being good and helping us understand, okay, how many students are we looking at here? How many students are struggling? And then it gives us a little area to reflect on how do we fix that. Thank you and have a great day.